Hello everyone, and this is Sri once again. But if you're wondering why I'm like indoors, not at a waterfall or river doing a bit of trekking, today I'm going to show you and introduce you to my new baby. It is this lady here. She came all the way from Australia, managed to grab her at a reasonable price thanks to the Black Friday deals, but it took a while for her to come down to Sri Lanka. So today you and I are going to unwrap her and see what's inside. I'm so excited because this is gonna be my first ever non-Nokia phone. We have been using Nokia for the past 13 years, but I thought I'll give it a go to this highly appreciated, highly talked about Google Pixel camera phones. Remember, the high-end Google phones, especially Pixel 1, 2, 3 and 4 are like beyond the price point of the average people like me. So when they introduced this Google budget phone like people Pixel 3a, I thought I'll give it a go. So found this lady and we are going to unwrap her and see what's inside. Highly excited. Okay, here we are looking at this beautifully designed box. This is what I really like about Google and Nokia, because they have common in is that they design this packaging elegantly but keeping it really simple. So this is what the packaging looks like on the front, with a picture of the phone and saying Google Pixel 3a XL, and we have Google logo and the Google name and the side view of the phone, and on the back we have some 3 pictures and teampixel hashtag. So we are going to be members of the teampixel. Right, let's open this beautiful design packaging and see what's there inside. Right, let's open this flap. I actually already removed the 2 stickers holding this together. Here we go. There we are. It's keeping it aside. So we have a bit of some paperwork, I guess. There's a bit of user guide. Let's keep it aside. Inside here you can probably have, alright, that's the key to open the SIM tray. Oh, they have given me a sticker of some sort with the Google logo and teampixel hashtag. I wonder where I can paste it, but nevertheless, let's keep this set aside once again. And here we have, if I can get hold of it without dropping it. Right, this is the beautiful Pixel 3a XL. Let's open it from its packaging a little later. This was the platform where it was holding the phone. Right, I was going to drop the user guide. And inside here we have a couple of boxes. Let's take them out one at a time. Okay, what's here? Okay, that's the charging unit. Got to watch it and make sure it's compatible with the Sri Lankan standards. Here we have something inside. Oh right, earbuds. Let's open it. Oh yes, beautiful earbuds. Let's have a look at. That's the earbuds, and we've got some spare covers for this. Just open it. Here we are. That's very well made earbuds. Something similar to what Nokia gives. Well, that's a nice little surprise. And we have these extras, keeping it aside. And then we have this Google adapter where you can use it to transfer your data from your older phone to the new phone. That will be very handy and easier to do that. and this is the charging cable, USB type C, and I think basically that's it. Is there anything else? No, that's it from teampixel. And now let's take a look at this beautiful mobile. Right, here we have this beautiful device. Let's get her out of this packaging. Gently, gently, gently. There are plenty of packaging. Alright, this is, as you can see, looks so gorgeous. And this is the beautiful Pixel. You can see the camera, highly rated, a good quality camera, flash, the fingerprint scanner and the Google logo. And in the front we have these buttons, two buttons, power buttons and the volume rockers. And right here we have the front of this phone and the selfie camera. Okay, let's get around to having a look at case for this. And I've also ordered some tempered glass. Let's quickly take a look at them. Okay people, here we are. I'm actually just unwrapped this case, which I got it through AliExpress. There we go. This is sort of like a rubberized case. Let's take it out of the packaging. Go. The packaging is very well done. Let's take it out. Here we go. That's like it's sort of like a hard plastic and rubber sort of thing. Looks so elegant. It's like here rubber. Internal it's sort of like plasticky, and it has all the space for the charging unit and all. And here is the buttons for the volume rocker and the power. Right, let's take a look at my newly ordered tempered glass from eBay. Right, this is the tempered glass in its packaging. This I got from eBay. I will not put the links just yet because I want to test it and make sure that it's high quality. I'm yet to test it. I've actually ordered 2-pack, so yeah, I can have a fallback option. So they have some nicely packaged this. Alright, bubble wrap. You've got one wet and one dry wipes. I've got two because I've ordered the 2-pack tempered glass. Here is the tempered glass in it, nicely packaged. I'm actually got this because it covers the entire screen. There you go people. That looks nice. And let's have a look at all of them, the case, phone and the tempered glass together, shall we? Right, here we are. I have the tempered glass here, and this is the Google Pixel 3a XL in its new cover. She fits perfectly, as you can see. Doesn't move about. Looks so solid and looks beautiful. And the tempered glass, if I were to just place it, I'm not going to put it just yet, just to show you. See, it sort of like fits in perfectly. Might not cover all the way up to the edge. I think it leaves a tiny bit of space, but that should be alright. Let me get it up close so that you can get a better look. There you go, that's the tempered glass. And out of the tempered glass is the Google Pixel 3a XL. Turning around, you can see that this beautiful place where you can have the access to the power button and the volume rockers, and here there's space for the fingerprint scanner, camera, and the flash. Let's do more test with the Pixel 3a XL, and I'll try and record my transition from my Nokia 7 Plus to the Pixel 3a XL. Talking about Nokia 7 Plus, let's do a quick comparison of the 7 Plus and 3a XL just to show you the size. Here we are, my beloved Nokia 7 Plus and Pixel 3a XL side by side. In terms of size, they are almost the same. I think Pixel 3a XL is about 2 millimeters taller than Nokia, but other than that, it's technically the same size. Let's put them together so you can get a better look. Look at this. It's almost the same size. You can see this beautiful design. Nokia 7 Plus, one of the super phones made by Nokia, by the HMD Global. And this is the Pixel 3a in her new case. Okay people, I think this comparison and the unboxing and interaction of the case and tempered glass been useful to you. Let's do more testing with the Pixel 3a XL, and I'll see you with those videos.